trouble and you need a helping hand, and nothing, oh nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of cloud, and the road north wind should begin to blow, keep your hair together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, oh yeah, to see you again.
Happy birthday, Teacher Liza! Thank you po ang ingat sa biyahe! Pasalubong namin, tapos magpatangkad na. Tapos, habang tree. Bye.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One, two, three.
We will miss you! Yeah! Hi, Sen.
Pasok sa mga ni Liza na buhay.
May isa naman sasabi sa'yo. Si Raisa mabait yung tao. Pag naalala ko, masayahin talaga yan eh. Noon. Taga-Canada, salamat Justin para sa ito ha. Talaga mo si Raisa, alam mo naman. Pag naka-5 days ka, balik ka dito ha. Chocolate. Size 9.
Ano, take trip, tsaka pakamusta sa kanila. Size 7 ako ha, size 7 ha.
Good luck, good luck. Kamusta kay Justin?
Ingat, no, parang kapatid ko na yan, no. Ingat, kamusta na lang doon sa mga kasama mo doon. And, good luck sa magiging buhay mo doon. Lalo na sa'yo. Sayang! Mamimiss ko na ako. At least mababawasan ka ng stress, no. So, ingat, and mamimiss ka na. Mamimiss ka na. Wala na akong ingat na lang. Salamat.
Ako na ba? Raisa, nako, wag ngayon. Wag kami, Raisa.
Charot!
Bibig ka namin. Oy, pwede na ako magsabi sa'yo, size 7 ako. Hinihintay ka. July 10, birthday ko, best.
No.
Look,